Elastic Security Online Training. Understanding Elastic Security, a comprehensive overview. Understanding Elastic Security, a comprehensive overview. 1. Introduction to Elastic Security. Elastic Security is part of the Elastic Stack, which includes Elasticsearch, Kibana, Logstash, and Beats. It is designed to provide comprehensive security information and event management, CM, threat detection, and incident response capabilities. The platform is built on a scalable architecture that allows organizations to analyze large volumes of security data in real time. 2 key features of Elastic Security. Threat detection. Elastic Security utilizes advanced machine learning models and pre-built rules to identify suspicious activities and potential threats. CM capabilities. It consolidates security data from various sources, providing a unified view for monitoring and analysis. Incident response facilitates rapid investigation and response to security incidents through actionable insights and automation. Endpoint security offers endpoint detection and response (EDR) capabilities to monitor and protect endpoints from threats. Security analytics provides powerful query and visualization tools for analyzing security data and generating insights. 3. Architecture and components. Elasticsearch, the core search and analytics engine that indexes and stores security data. Kibana, the visualization layer that allows users to create dashboards, view data, and manage alerts. Logstash and Beats, tools for data ingestion, helping collect logs and metrics from various sources. CM App, a dedicated application within Kibana that provides a centralized workspace for security operations. 4. Data ingestion and management. Data sources supports a wide range of data sources including firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and cloud services. Normalization. Data normalization ensures that ingested data is structured consistently, enabling easier analysis. Data enrichment. Enriching logs with additional context, such as threat intelligence feeds, helps in better decision-making. 5. Threat detection and hunting. Built-in rules. Elastic Security includes numerous pre-built detection rules for common threats and attack patterns. Machine learning leverages machine learning for anomaly detection and predictive analytics, enabling proactive threat hunting. Hunting interface provides a dedicated interface for security analysts to search and explore data for indicators of compromise, IOCs. 6. Incident management and response. Alerting system, configurable alerts based on specific conditions or thresholds to notify security teams of potential incidents. Investigation workflows, streamlined workflows for investigating alerts, including visualizations and contextual data. Integration with SOAR. Elastic Security can integrate with security orchestration, automation, and response (SOAR) platforms for automated response actions. 7. Compliance and reporting. Audit logging. Comprehensive logging of all user activities and changes to maintain accountability and traceability. Compliance reports. Out-of-the-box compliance reporting templates for standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. 8. Deployment and scalability. Flexible deployment options. can be deployed on-premises, in the cloud, or in hybrid environments. Scalability, designed to scale horizontally, allowing organizations to handle increasing data volumes without compromising performance. Key features of Elastic Security for threat detection. Elastic Security is a robust platform designed for threat detection, investigation, and response. Here are some key features. Advanced threat detection utilizes machine learning algorithms to identify anomalies and potential threats in real time. Provides pre-built detection rules and custom rule creation for tailored threat detection. Endpoint security offers endpoint protection through host-based agents, enabling monitoring and response capabilities. Includes features like malware detection, file integrity monitoring, and process monitoring. SIEM capabilities integrates security information and event management (SIEM) functionalities for centralized logging and analysis. Supports real-time alerts and dashboards for security monitoring. Integration with Elastic Stack leverages the full Elastic Stack, Elasticsearch, Kibana, Logstash, Beats for data ingestion, storage, and visualization. Facilitates seamless integration with other data sources and security tools. Threat intelligence incorporates threat intelligence feeds to enrich alerts and provide context to detected threats. Helps in identifying known bad actors and indicators of compromise, IOCs. Investigative tools provides powerful search and analysis tools to investigate incidents and breaches. Offers timeline analysis and visualization features for better understanding of attack vectors. Automated response supports automated responses to incidents, such as quarantining endpoints or blocking malicious IPs. Enables playbook automation for consistent incident response. User and Entity Behavior Analytics, UBA. Monitors user and entity behavior to detect suspicious activities that deviate from normal patterns. Aids in identifying insider threats and compromised accounts. Compliance and reporting assists organizations in meeting compliance requirements with built-in reporting features. Provides audit logs and customizable reports for security assessments. Scalability and performance designed to handle large volumes of data efficiently, ensuring performance during peak loads. Scalable architecture allows organizations to grow their security posture as needed. Open source and community support benefits from a strong open source community with continuous updates and enhancements. Encourages collaboration and sharing of threat detection rules and methodologies. Implementing Elastic Security in your organization. Implementing Elastic Security in your organization involves several key steps to ensure effective threat detection, response, and overall security posture. Here's a detailed guide to help you through the process. 1. Understand your security needs. Assess current infrastructure. Evaluate your existing security tools and processes. Identify gaps and specific requirements. Define use cases. Determine what threats you need to detect and respond to based on your organization's risk profile. 2. Plan your deployment. Choose deployment type. Decide between cloud-based, on-premises, or hybrid deployment based on your organization's needs. Scalability considerations: plan for future growth in terms of data volume and user requirements. 3. Install and configure Elastic Stack. Set up the Elastic Stack. Install Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Follow the official Elastic documentation for guidance. Configure data sources. Set up data ingestion pipelines using Logstash or Beats to collect data from endpoints, servers, and network devices. Index management. Configure indices to optimize performance and storage based on your data retention policies. 4. Implement security features. Enable security features. Activate Elastic security features in Kibana, including detection rules, CM capabilities, and threat intelligence. Role-based access control. RBAC. Implement RBAC to control user access to sensitive data and functionalities. 5. Create detection rules. Utilize built-in rules. Leverage Elastic's pre-built detection rules for common threats. Custom rules. Develop custom detection rules based on your specific use cases, incorporating threat intelligence feeds when possible. 6. Integrate threat intelligence. Incorporate threat feeds. Integrate external threat intelligence sources to enhance detection capabilities. Use machine learning. Utilize Elastic's machine learning features to identify anomalies in your data. 7. Monitor and respond. Dashboards and visualizations. Create dashboards in Kibana to visualize security events and monitor real-time data. Incident response workflows. Develop incident response workflows to ensure quick and efficient handling of detected threats. 8. Regularly update and maintain. Software updates. Regularly update the Elastic Stack to benefit from new features and security patches. Review and adjust rules. Continuously review and adjust detection rules and configurations based on evolving threats and organizational changes. 9. Training and awareness. Team training. Provide training for security teams on using Elastic Security effectively. User awareness. Raise awareness among all employees about security best practices and potential threats. 10. Evaluate and iterate. Performance metrics. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of your security implementations using key performance indicators, KPIs. Feedback loop. Create a feedback loop to learn from incidents and improve your security posture continuously. Best practices for configuring Elastic Security. Configuring Elastic Security effectively involves several best practices to enhance your security posture. Here's a comprehensive guide. 1. Initial setup and configuration. Deploy the latest version. Always use the latest version of the Elastic Stack to leverage new features and security updates. Secure the cluster. Enable TLS encryption for data in transit and at rest. Configure security features like user authentication and role-based access control, RBAC. 2. User and role management. Create user roles. Define roles with the principle of least privilege. Limit access to only necessary indices and features. Implement multi-factor authentication. MFA. Use MFA for added security during user authentication. 3. Data ingestion and enrichment. Use beat and agent. Deploy Elastic Beats and the Elastic Agent to collect data from various sources, ensuring you gather logs and metrics from all relevant systems. Data enrichment. Utilize ingest pipelines to enrich data with contextual information such as geolocation, user details, or threat intelligence. 4. Detection rules and alerts. Customize detection rules. Create and fine-tune detection rules tailored to your environment. Use pre-built rules as a baseline and adjust thresholds to minimize false positives. Alert notifications. Configure alert notifications through email, webhook, or third-party integrations to ensure timely responses to detected threats. 5. Monitoring and visualization. Dashboards and visualizations. Build custom dashboards in Kibana to visualize security metrics and incident trends. Regularly review dashboards to spot anomalies. Regular health checks. Monitor the health of your Elastic Stack components, Elasticsearch, Kibana, Beats, etc., to identify performance issues or outages. 6. Incident response and playbooks. Develop incident response plans. Establish clear procedures for responding to security incidents. Ensure team members are trained on these procedures. Integrate with SOA tools. Consider integrating with security orchestration, automation, and response (SOA) platforms to automate incident responses. 7. Regular audits and updates. Conduct security audits. Regularly audit user roles, access controls, and detection rules to ensure they are aligned with your security policies. Update regularly. Keep your Elastic security configurations, detection rules, and Elastic Stack components up to date. 8. Data retention and compliance. Implement data retention policies. Define retention periods for logs and security data based on regulatory requirements and organizational needs. Compliance reporting. Utilize reporting features to generate compliance reports that align with industry standards, example GDPR, HIPAA. 9. Community and documentation. Engage with the community. Participate in the Elastic community forums and follow the Elastic blog for updates, best practices, and community-driven insights. Consult documentation. Regularly reference the official Elastic documentation for the latest configurations and features. Elastic security versus traditional security solutions, a comparison. Elastic security versus traditional security solutions, a comparison. When comparing Elastic security to traditional security solutions, it's important to understand their core differences in architecture, capabilities, and overall approach to cybersecurity. 1. Architecture and deployment. Elastic security. Built on the Elastic Stack, which includes Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, and Beats. Designed for scalability and real-time data processing. Cloud-native capabilities allow for deployment in on-premises, cloud, or hybrid environments. Combines security information and event management, (CM), with security orchestration, automation, and response, (SOA). Traditional security solutions often rely on proprietary hardware or software appliances. Typically involve more rigid, static architectures. Deployment can be cumbersome, requiring extensive configuration and integration with existing systems, may lack the flexibility to adapt to modern cloud and hybrid infrastructures. 2. Data handling and analysis. Elastic Security leverages powerful search and analytics capabilities of Elasticsearch, capable of ingesting diverse data types, including logs, metrics, and network data. Provides real-time threat detection through advanced analytics, machine learning, and threat hunting features. Users can build custom queries and dashboards for tailored insights. Traditional security solutions often focus on specific types of data, such as logs or alerts, leading to siloed information. Analysis may be limited to predefined templates, reducing flexibility in threat detection. Typically slower to adapt to new data sources or types of attacks. 3. Threat detection and response. Elastic Security employs machine learning to identify anomalies and potential threats based on historical data. Offers a unified view of security data for proactive threat hunting and incident response. Integrates with SOAR capabilities to automate response actions, reducing time to mitigate threats. Traditional security solutions often rely on signature-based detection, which can miss advanced or zero-day threats. Response capabilities may be less automated, leading to slower incident handling. Integration with other security tools may be limited, resulting in fragmented threat detection and response workflows. 4. User experience and accessibility. Elastic Security user-friendly interface with customizable dashboards and visualizations. Designed for collaboration among security teams, allowing multiple users to work on investigations simultaneously. Strong community support and extensive documentation. Enhancing incident response with Elastic Security. Enhancing incident response with Elastic Security involves leveraging its comprehensive features to streamline threat detection, investigation, and response processes. Here are key aspects to consider. 1. Centralized data ingestion. Integration. Elastic Security can ingest data from various sources, including endpoints, network logs, and cloud environments, centralizing threat data for comprehensive visibility. Data enrichment. Enrich data with threat intelligence feeds to provide context around alerts and incidents. 2. Real-time threat detection. Alerts and rules. Use pre-built detection rules or create custom rules to identify potential threats in real time. Elastic Security supports both threshold-based and behavioral detections. Machine learning. Implement machine learning jobs to detect anomalies and identify previously unseen threats, improving the accuracy of alerts. 3. Investigation and analysis. Kibana dashboards. Utilize Kibana to create dashboards for visualizing security data, helping analysts quickly identify patterns and anomalies. Investigative tools. Use the timeline feature to correlate events over time and employ visualizations to explore relationships between various data points. 4. Automated response actions. SOAR integration. Integrate with security orchestration, automation, and response (SOAR) platforms to automate repetitive tasks, such as isolating affected endpoints or blocking malicious IP addresses. Custom playbooks. Create custom playbooks within Elastic Security to standardize responses to specific types of incidents, ensuring consistent and effective action. 5. Collaboration and reporting. Case management. Use built-in case management features to track incidents from detection to resolution, allowing teams to collaborate effectively. Reporting. Generate reports on incidents, trends, and response effectiveness to inform stakeholders and improve future incident response efforts. 6. Continuous improvement. Post-incident reviews. Conduct reviews after incidents to identify lessons learned and refine detection rules and response procedures. Feedback loop. Use insights from past incidents to enhance detection capabilities, tuning rules and leveraging machine learning models to reduce false positives. 7. Compliance and audit. Regulatory compliance. Ensure that your incident response processes align with relevant regulations and standards by utilizing Elastic Security's logging and reporting capabilities. Audit trails. Maintain detailed logs of all security events and response actions for audit purposes, facilitating compliance and accountability. Integrating Elastic Security with your existing tech stack. Integrating Elastic Security with your existing tech stack can enhance your organization's threat detection and response capabilities. Here's a detailed approach to consider. 1. Understanding Elastic Security. Overview. Elastic Security, part of the Elastic Stack, provides advanced security analytics and endpoint protection. It utilizes Elasticsearch, Kibana, and other components for real-time visibility and insights into security threats. Key features: CM capabilities, threat hunting, detection rules, and incident management. 2. Assessing your current tech stack. Inventory existing tools, document all security tools, logging systems, and data sources currently in use, example firewalls, antivirus, intrusion detection systems. Identify integration points, determine where Elastic Security can be integrated, such as data ingestion, alerting, and incident response. 3. Data ingestion. Logstash and Beats. Utilize Logstash and Elastic Beats, FileBeat, MetricBeat, WinLogBeat, etc. to collect logs from various sources, servers, applications, network devices. Direct API integrations. Use APIs to pull data from existing tools, example SIEMs, cloud services, into Elastic Security. 4. Connecting with threat intelligence. Integrate threat intelligence feeds. Use threat intelligence to enhance detection capabilities. Elastic Security allows the ingestion of threat intelligence data for real-time alerts. Custom threat indicators. Configure custom threat indicators to improve detection rules and response actions. 5. Detection rules and alerts. Configure detection rules. Leverage pre-built detection rules or create custom rules based on your environment's needs. Elastic Security offers rule templates that can be customized. Alerting mechanisms. Set up alerting for critical incidents using integrations with third-party incident response tools like PagerDuty or ServiceNow. 6. Incident management. Integrate with existing workflows, Connect Elastic Security with your incident management systems to streamline incident handling and response processes. Automated response. Implement automated playbooks that can trigger actions based on specific alerts or incidents. 7. Dashboard and visualization. Kibana dashboards. Use Kibana to create dashboards that visualize security data, providing real-time insights into threats and incidents across your tech stack. Custom visualizations. Tailor dashboards to specific teams or roles, ensuring relevant information is easily accessible. 8. Training and adoption. User training. Provide training for security analysts and other stakeholders to ensure they can effectively use Elastic Security. Documentation. Create clear documentation for processes and integrations to assist users in navigating the system. Why choose ProExcellency for Elastic Security online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Elastic Security online training can offer several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency often employs industry professionals with extensive experience in Elastic Security, providing insights that go beyond the basics. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover a wide range of topics, from foundational concepts to advanced techniques, ensuring a well-rounded education. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency emphasizes practical training, allowing participants to work on real-world scenarios and projects, which can enhance learning and retention. Flexible learning options. Online training offers flexibility in scheduling, making it easier to fit into your personal or professional commitments. Supportive community. Participants often benefit from a network of peers and mentors, fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing. Certification preparation. Many courses are designed to help you prepare for relevant certifications, adding value to your professional profile. Updated content. ProExcellency frequently updates its curriculum to reflect the latest trends and developments in Elastic Security, ensuring you receive current and relevant training. Positive reviews and testimonials. Check for feedback from past participants to gauge the effectiveness and quality of the training offered. Thank you.